Hello everyone. So I've been seeing other creators make crochet flip-flop, so I decided to make my own version of the flip-flop. But this time around I'll be using a sandal. Yes, the sandal I have at home. The materials we'll be needing for this are our yarn. I'll be using a purple and a white yarn, so I'll be using 2 strands of the purple yarn. Then the sandal and our hook. I'll be using a 5.0 mm hook for this project. Now let's get right into it. The first thing to do is to make a slip knot. Make your slip knot and insert your hook into the knot. Take your sandal and then you go under the strap of the sandal like you see me do. You pull your yarn through to attach it. Then we'll chain 1. Make sure you tighten it so that it won't lose at the end of the day. Chain 1 and then you single crochet all over the strap till you get to the end. Single crochet. See the way I'm doing mine. You pull your hook into the strap. You won't yarn first. Pull your hook into the strap and then you yarn over. You're single crocheting round the strap. Please watch closely. Make sure you keep pushing your yarn to tighten it so that there won't be any space or visible space in between. See, like this now. I'll have to pull it to make sure there are no spaces or visible spaces there, and so that the ruffle will be full. You continue single crochet round the strap, and when you're done you should have something like this. The next thing to do now is to chain 2 and then turn your work. Into the very first stitch you're going to do 3 double crochets into the very first stitch of where you stopped. 3 double crochets into the very first stitch. And that's the 3rd double crochet. Now into the next stitch you will still do 3 double crochets, and so you continue doing 3 double crochets into each stitch till you get to the last stitch on the strap. This pattern we're doing is what will make our ruffle, and this is what will make it fuller because we are doing 3 double crochets into each stitch. At the end of that, this is what you're going to get. See how full it is. If you want it fuller, then you can increase it to maybe 4 double crochets into one stitch, but this is okay. 3 double crochets is okay. Now we're going to add another color, which is the white, like I said earlier. So you do a slip knot, insert your hook into the new yarn and also into the one you were doing before, like you see me do. So you tighten it to avoid being loose. We're going to secure the 2 yarns together. We're going to chain 1 to secure it, then tighten it. Now for this, we are going to chain 1. Now we're going to start a new row. Chain 1, and then we'll do single crochet into each stitch, single crochet into each stitch. You continue this pattern till you get to the very end of that strap. And at the end, you're going to chain 1, and then you cut your yarn, tighten it, and then you can weave in the ends. This is what we have at the end of the day. See how beautiful it came out. I want you to try it and try it with other colors. Mix your colors and let your sandal pop. So you're going to repeat the same pattern with the other strap of the sandal, and this is how it came out. See how beautiful it looks on my leg. If you found this video helpful, please do well to like, to share, to comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so I can bring you more tutorials like this. See you in the next one. Bye.